So if I select this one, and I go over to scale, this is pretty easy because I can just pull this up and then just move it. As empty, adjust it, and then we can do the same thing with both of these. Scale Z, there we go. And pull this up. Grab this, and it goes down. And get this all in place. And now we have the basic bed. And now the only other thing we want to add is the mattress. So we will do that. So we're going to create a box. This I should reset the center. Objects, snap, cursor to center, and add mesh cube. Move the cube up here. Scale. Scale the whole thing at this point. And then let's switch over to scale tool and just kind of tweak it as it's going to be. And this is going to be our mattress. Move it up. And it's going to be, actually I'll make the mattress to be a little higher. And that's going to be the bed. So we'll do the same thing, we'll select everything and group it as well. And finalize it out. So we add another empty. Add empty, find axis. Let's go down and find the empty. And rename it and call it bed. So on. And we're going to select all these items. So A, B, order select, go up and down and make sure that bed 01 is the one that's white. And we don't want the chair, obviously. Control key. Alright, and everything is hooked, so now you can see the chairs here and the beds here. So we have that done. Okay, the final thing I want to show you is how to do a curve, because you'll see a lot of this furniture has curves as well. So let's go to another layer, and what I'm going to do is just create a box. So I'm going to add mesh box, and I'm going to scale it on the x-axis pretty big, and scale it maybe a little bit on the axis as well. So let's zoom in, and what I need to do is maximize this. I want to subdivide this so that I can edit some of the elements. Now right now we've been working in object mode. If you hit the tab key or you go to edit mode, basically you see everything changes, and that's because you're now in a different mode. And you can basically select different elements and components. We want to pull up the tool panel that we hid. We want to go down and we want to select loop, cut, and slide. And all we want to do is drag the mouse over and cycle up with the middle mouse button and increase the subdivisions until we have enough that we like. Click the left mouse button and they are applied. Oh. And there we go. Okay. So now if we look in and we look at this in a perspective view, you can see that we have different divisions that have been added to this object. So I'm going to cut this a little off. Okay, so let's go back to this view. I'm done with this tool. And let's go and we want to select vertices, which are the individual elements. So maximize this viewport. And what we want to do is do a border select. And we make sure that nothing is selected, so hit A, B for border select. I'm going to select all these vertices and switch over to move. And pull and move these up. Oh, I didn't go all the way through, so I need to change that. So right here is the option limit selection to visible. We need to toggle that. Now if I hit B for border and select and go to move, now it picks everything. So we'll move that up, and then I hit A and I border select again. and move this up. And then I'm going to go out with the border select again, go that out, and keep on going until I get something that starts to look like a curve. So that's basically the way that you're going to get things rounded. Now, don't subdivide things too much, because we'll look at some other techniques we can use later to actually make things look a little bit better. But you can see if we do that, we basically end up with a rounded shape, and then if we go out of edit mode and go back to the object mode, now you can see that shape and what it looks like. So that concludes this demo.